Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be replacing transmission lines on a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 using LinesToGo part number TCL-168-SS. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown in your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made using 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 8mm and 22mm sockets and ratchet, 13mm wrench, LinesToGo disconnect tool, part number 5230-01 or 3133-01, LinesToGo disconnect tool, part number 3834-01 or 7615-01, flat blade screwdriver or pick, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 13mm wrench. Raise and support the vehicle and remove the right front wheel using a 22mm socket. Use an 8mm socket to remove the screws that secure the right front inner fender into position and remove it from the vehicle. Disconnect the transmission lines from the cooler using a disconnect tool, LinesToGo part number 5230-01 or 3133-01. Have a drain pan ready as fluid will be lost at this time. Remove the plastic clips that cover the quick connect fittings at the transmission. Remove the lines from the fittings using a disconnect tool, LinesToGo part number 3834-01 or 7615-01. Locate the clip that supports the lines at the passenger side front of the engine oil pan. Open it using a pick or screwdriver. Remove the engine oil filter and set it aside. Remove the plastic clips that secure the lines together and remove the two lines from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your new LinesToGo stainless steel transmission lines, start by installing the line labeled A into position. Once the line is into position, set it off to the side so the other line can be routed into position. Next, install the line labeled B into position. At the transmission, connect the line labeled A to the top quick connect fitting and the line labeled B to the lower quick connect fitting. Secure the plastic retaining clips over the fittings. At the front, connect the line labeled A to the top tube and the line labeled B to the lower tube. Secure the lines into the plastic clip at the passenger side front of the engine oil pan. Secure the two lines together using the plastic clips removed earlier. Replace the engine oil filter. Replace the right front inner fender back into position and secure it using an 8mm 'mm' 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 ' Replace the right front wheel and torque to your manufacturer's recommended specification using a 22mm socket. Replace the negative battery terminal using a 13mm wrench. With the vehicle sitting on a flat level surface, check the engine oil level and top it up as required. Start the vehicle in park and check the transmission fluid level and top it up as required. This concludes the installation of stainless steel transmission lines on a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 using LinesToGo part number TCL-168-SS. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. Don't forget to take advantage of our free next day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you in our next video.